Now we'll see the case when electric field intensity due to an infinite plane sheet of uniform thickness. So in previous content we have studied that thickness was of sheet was very less, means we have considered the thin sheet. In this case we are going to study the sheet which is thick. Consider a sheet having some thickness. This is our sheet. It has some positive charge or some kind of charge, same charge distributed, uniformly distributed. See, when we distribute a charge on a material, non-conducting material, the charge stays on the surface of the material. So this charge will come on the surface of this sheet, but the sheet is very thick, so charge will come here and on back side of the sheet also, this back surface also. This is back side and this is front side. So charge will come on both side of the sheet at the surface only. Alright, now consider this distribution is uniform, having uniform surface charge density sigma. अगर ये distribution ऐसा uniform है कि इसकी uniform surface charge density sigma है and it is plus charge, so it is plus sigma. Now we have to calculate the electric field at this P. We know from our previous classes that the electric field at P due to this only this first sheet will be electric field intensity at P due to surface 1. If I say this one is our surface 1 and this back side surface is surface 2, both will be uniform perpendicular fields, normal fields here also. Alright, if I am considering at P only, so back side of the sheet the positive charge will also have electric field in this direction also, यानी पीछे वाली assembly के जो positive charges हैं उनके भी electric field का एक इधर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन होगी, तो यहाँ से निकले हुए चार्ज की फील्ड लाइन इधर भी होगी, उसको मैंने E2 कह दिया. इस आगे वाली शीट से जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बना उसको मैंने नाम E1 दे दिया. ठीक है, तो पीछे वाले जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज हैं उनमें से निकलने वाली जो फील्ड लाइंस हैं उसके लिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E2 है और इसके लिए E1 है, जो कहाँ पे P पे अप्लाई हो रही है. सो द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट P ड्यू टू सरफेस 1 is E1 and this E1 will be what? Sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. ये डिस्टेंस पे डिपेंड नहीं करता है, हमने पीछे देखा था. So it is equation 1. Now similarly electric field intensity at P due to surface 2, the back side surface, it is E2, does not depends on distance, so it will be sigma upon 2 epsilon naught again. Alright, so and I am considering the medium is air, that is why I am using epsilon naught. So the total field at P, just because E1 is in this direction, E2 is also in this direction, E1 and E2 both are in same direction, so they will add up at P. So resultant E will be, according to superposition principle, E is equals to E1 plus E2, simply just because these are in same direction, that is why I am considering only the magnitude, and it is plus. E is equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught for first sheet, sigma upon 2 epsilon naught for second sheet, and the resultant will be E is equals to sigma upon epsilon naught. This is the required electric field for this sheet of thickness, some thickness, uniform thickness. All right, here again I am reminding you, I am not considering the edge effect. I have considered this thick sheet to be very expanded. ये infinite sheet है लेकिन thick है, ये finite sheet नहीं है. और edge effect जो मैंने पिछली क्लास में बताया था वो कहाँ आता है, finite sheet में आता है. Alright, now I am going to solve one numerical based on this theory. The question is there. A charge of 17.7 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb is distributed over a large sheet. Large sheet simply means infinite sheet of area 400 meter square, very large area. Calculate the electric field intensity at a distance of 10 centimeter from it. Alright, see, do you have to worry about this 10 centimeter, the distance? No, just because for infinite sheet the electric field at any point does not depend upon the distance between the point and the sheet. We have studied it. So Q is given, total charge which is distributed is given 17.7 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb over a large sheet. Area is given for the sheet 400 meter square. So when charge, total charge and area is given, so we can calculate sigma is equals to total charge upon area. Sigma is surface charge density, total charge upon total area. We will use it. Now next, electric field will be, electric field intensity we have to calculate, will be equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, but sigma is what, Q by A, so Q by A upon 2 epsilon naught. Put all the values, 17.7 into 10 power minus 4, and A which is denominator we can write it here, divided by 2, epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12, and it is multiplied by area. Area is 400 meter square, 400. Alright, now solve it. 2 10, what is like 17. Here the multiplication of this is 17.7. Again it is 17.7. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 12. Again write 400. So it is 12 minus 4, 8. 10 to the power 8. 1 by 400. It is cancelled out. So it is 4, 1 by 4, or if I say 10 100 by 400 multiplied by, write like this, 8 6 यहाँ ले लिया, 2 पावर यहाँ 0 0, और 1 by 4 0.25, so it is 2.5 into 10 to the power, 1 power will be shared, this Newton per Coulomb, just because it is electric field. So this is our required solution. ठीक है, तो this is one numerical based on that sheet expression.